Kading ke belakang bahak la Bamduh iaka jaka pynlang pipe ke PHE ke badan hakasnong lum siap chan mari hene ka sing sejan ha ka baga jingjulor ka lakot chaka prapusan lak tingka. Kikali penlip ding lawan poi mardor hak tiga jaka bantami ki thlit ding. Ki bor ki beri khmi ki la penlip mardor ki boarding electric hakleng ki benta jong ka tiga jaka banlat na kinu ki jingma ba jingmen saw. Unang yalam snong ka lum siap uba pira khong pai. Ulaya thu bagani gajing pluding kelas dang hakapur arbji mensngi berkelas subajur bagi kena red kila ile kaya kading berkelapur syakate jaka kemudian jaka bu yaki pipe jong ke PHE.
Approximately will be 80 to 85 lakhs, because all these HDPE pipes market nado 60 mm diameter, then 20, 25, 40, 50 in a row. Each in a row belong about 340 meters. Approximately it will come to that amount only 80 to 85 lakhs. At around 3 to 3:10, so Chowkida was calling this junior engineer in charge of the store. So immediately we called the police and we called for the fire brigade to come. And then immediately they come. And then they tried to douse this fire, but we don't know what the cause of this fire, because the fire came out from that first part only and then came this side. And then immediately, with the help of all these fire service department, we could, as you could see, that we could douse this fire.